Fix Roblox failed to reach. Please check your internet connection issue. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, go to your Play Store and then search for Roblox application. Then make sure you have the latest version by seeing if there is an update button instead of this play button. If there is, simply tap on it and get the latest version of Roblox. Next step, go to settings, go to apps, find Roblox, then on its storage section, tap on clear cache and your problem should be fixed. Make sure you also have a very stable and high internet connection. So that is it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.